like the picture.
You were the best.
I started the car.
Seabass.
Oh.
You are Seabass.
Seabass. Oh yeah, he showed up last night.
Look.
Yeah, the best on everything.
You had the exact same shirt. You literally were Seabass. If you had a hat on, you were Seabass.
I gotta see this.
Get it, Charger.
Oh wow, that is like dead on.
Yeah, like it's the same vest. Up in the top corner. Alright, that's good there.
I haven't been on camera since the hotel room that one night.
Do we need anything else from Walmart?
No. Not the bad stuff. But not the ultra expensive stuff either. Charmin's good stuff, right?
Thank you for choosing Blackout Tinting. This is Luke. How can I assist you? Hey Tom, I'm good. How are you? Let me go check with Patrick. I know the film was done. Right now he's coating it. Let me just check on the Patrick. One second.
Perfect bite.
The day we installed the security cameras, you can't tell when somebody's standing up there. Like, you completely forget about it. So we were standing up there watching the cameras that we just installed just because we're excited about watching them. Nobody's in this bay. Terrell sneaks over here, like looking around, walks back into the back, opens the refrigerator and continues to look around, pulls out a 2-liter of I think it was Dr. Pepper, and there was like probably this much left in it, walks back in the corner by the bathroom door in the dark, and just slams the entire bottle. And then looks around again and walks back out, burps real loud as he walks around this corner, and then like shoved it in the garbage like underneath everything else. Like he didn't want anybody to know he did it. I was dying. Me and Dean, I think we're both the ones watching it. And we called him on it. As soon as he put it in the garbage, I was like, "Hey, Terrell, how was that?" And he's like, oh yeah, it was good." He's selling gift certificates.
Yeah, just the one like 5 minutes ago.
Beautiful.
So this is a 1986 Ferrari Testarossa. It came into us after sitting in a barn for 8 years, and we've had it here since our grand opening, and the customer actually had a great idea of doing a 50-50 on it. Since it sat in a barn so long, you know, it wasn't taken care of. Why don't we run a piece of tape down the whole center of the car, and then we'll clean half of it, leave the other half dirty, buff half of it, and then coat half of it. This was a great idea because it not only allows us to show the customers the difference between what a paint correction, like what your paint looked like and what it looks like after doing the correction, but also can show the protection as well. So we were actually able to pour some water over the panel because when it was split half and half, and the half and half just happened to be right in line with the Ferrari badge in the front, you know, we would be able to pour water, you know, across the way in the line, and you'd see it beat up on this side and roll off, but over here it would just stick because obviously that side was not clean corrected or coated, but this side was. Now, with this car being an 86, you know, it's just perfect that it's going to possibly get. It's never going to be 100% perfect unless you were to get it repainted or to, you know, wet sands and things like that. But it's as good as it's going to look for now for an 86, and I know the customer is very, very pleased with it.